Reverends, distinguished professors, honorable speakers, my fellow students, ladies and gentlemen, Salamun alaykum and good afternoon or good evening to all of you. At the outset, I would like to thank the Embassy of the Islamic Republic of Iran's Embassy in Manila, as well as the Asian Center for organizing this event and for inviting me to share some thoughts and reflections on the subject at hand. Given the time constraint, let me highlight just 5 points. First, the declaration of the last Friday of Ramadan as International Quds Day is not a confrontation of one religion against another. That most Palestinians are Muslims and that most Israelis are Jews are just accidental. For Imam Khomeini, the apartheid of the erstwhile South African regime was equally condemnable, although less than 5% of South Africans are Muslims. Second point, the essential demand is the call for a democratic process. Let all the inhabitants of the Holy Land prior to the occupation have a referendum. Ask them what they want. This is the essence of the right to self-determination. Number 3, based on the multi-track diplomacy model developed by John MacDonald, gone are the days when discussion, negotiation, and resolution of an international conflict are only reserved to career diplomats and government officials. Talking about the status of the Holy Land, let's open track 2, diplomacy, which pertains to the unofficial interaction and intervention of non-state actors as what we are exactly doing right now. In particular, let us proactively initiate track 7, which is the faith-based diplomacy. Let us all be peace provocateurs. Let each of us be an envoy of justice. Let each of us be an ambassador of goodwill and understanding. Number 4, on a lighter note, those who are interested to get a free copy of my book, The Power of International Quds Day in the Cyberspace, may get it by following the link www.lz.com/qudsday, which can be seen in the screen. And number 5, I think this is the most important. Let's all fervently pray that this will be the last Quds Day program with the liberation of the Holy Land and the true opening of its door to all religions and faith traditions without discrimination. I thank you. Wassalamu alaykum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Thank you very much, Professor Diliman, for that powerful and fine messages. For our final